How's it going, guys? I'm Ken.
I'm T, and welcome to Ken and T Outdoors. All right, guys. So today we're going to be spring cleaning our chicken coop. All right, we're going to be spring cleaning our chicken coop. Okay. So I'm getting ready now to flip the camera while Ken he's getting ready to start with our spring cleaning, to clean it out, to get it all clean and tidy for our girls. All right. So I'm getting ready to flip the camera and just watch him do his job. Let me tell you the things. Let's flip the camera. Okay, guys, we're using this
It's diatomaceous earth.
diatomaceous earth. This blue bin right here. This will be our compost, where we will move the stuff from the chicken coop in the blue container for our compost for our garden. All right. So we're gonna take out what's in there. We're gonna put this mulch. Put the mulch blend down on the inside, and then we have the pine shavings that we're gonna put in here also. So this is what it looks like right now. Okay, so we're getting ready to do a good thorough cleaning in here, clean it out for them, and then we'll move from here. Okay, so just go along with us. I'm just gonna keep talking. I'm just gonna keep filming. I'm just walking around, letting you see it. That's the inside. We're going to take all of that out, and that will be our compost. We're going to move that over in our blue bin for the compost, okay? All right. All right.
Up, bud.
Okay, we'll be back. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we're back. So I will be cleaning out this portion of the chicken coop. Okay, so we're gonna move this. Let's take my mask off. We're gonna move this over into the blue bin. We're gonna move this over right here. We're gonna move this over into the blue bin, which will be used for compost for our garden. All right, so I'm getting ready now to clean it out. When my husband get through putting the drill the holes in the bottom of it, then I'm gonna go and shovel all of this out, put it in the blue bin, and it will be used as compost. All right. So it's beautiful weather out here today for us to get this done. It's not too hot. It's currently 79, 80 degrees. So it's actually real nice out here. Okay, so we're getting ready to get started, you guys. Let me go ahead and put my mask on so we don't be breathing in all of this stuff. All right, so here we go. Let's get started.
As you guys see, this tray comes completely out.
Okay guys, as you can see right here, we're cleaning out the bottom of it as well, dumping it inside of the barrel for the compost as well. So this is what we're doing now. We're back. So we have cleaned it out. As you can see, we've cleaned it out. We've prepped it to go in and put the new mulch in here with the pine shavings, with the other stuff that we're going to put in here. This is what it looks like right now, and we'll come back here shortly and show you the finished product. All right, listen. Okay guys, we are back. We are back. So now we're getting ready to put the pine shavings in the chicken bedding. So we're getting ready to do that. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so get ready now, guys, to put the pine shaving in here, okay? Fresh pine shaving. So what you want to do, you just want to just put it in here and spread it out. Okay guys, and just like that, we have fresh pine shaving.
All right, now I'm going to add a cup of diatomaceous earth to the blend. This controls the mites, the pests that kind of pest the chickens. I just sprinkle it here, and they'll walk through it and sift through it, and it'll keep the coop nice, clean, and also controls odor. But mainly it controls any pests or mites that might try to attack the chickens.
Okay. this part of the coop, we're done with this part. Got it all tidy and clean. And so now we're getting ready now to put in the mulch. So y'all stay tuned. And we're gonna...
We like using the cypress mulch blend.
So we actually, guys, using 3 bags, and we're gonna rake it and just cover up the whole run and in the back of the coop as well. So all I'm doing is taking the rake and just pushing it back, pushing it back.
They'll get the rest of it back there. Which guy? Go back to the front.
Here, you wanna work? Here. Okay. So we just gonna just roll it out, smooth it out everywhere.
And the chickens get ready to rest.
And they'll help us get it to the back of the coop. But we just gonna level it off in the front, and they'll get it to the back. All right, guys, we're cleaning up their water. So we're gonna wash this off really, really good. Clean it off really, really good. And fill up their water, give them fresh water. Give them some fresh water here. Just making sure everything is clean and tidy. Filling up now, filling up their food. So we're gonna fill this up. So once we do this, this should last probably what, 7 days, 10 days? They're about, or maybe even longer. But we're just making sure we're cleaning it out, doing the spring cleaning on it. It's it. All right. We'll come back in a few, guys, and show you all the finished product of the spring cleaning on the chicken coop.
All right, guys, we finally finished. Just keep in mind, this is our way, not the way.
All right, guys, we're done. So now, like my husband said, This is our way of doing a spring cleanup on our chicken coop. But you figure out your way and you go with your way. But this is the way that we do it, and it has been good for us. So now I'm getting ready to turn the camera around and let you see the finished product. All right, here we go. This is the finished product. Fresh water, fill up the food, and there's the fresh mulch. Let's walk around. We kind of just sprayed off the top. Just kind of just sprayed off everything. All right, that's the inside. Got it all nice and clean in there. Those are our dummy eggs, guys. All right, that's it. Thank you. And here's the finished product. Everything is nice and tidy. There's our little babies there. They're having their little fun time right now. We're getting ready to put them away. All right, guys, that concludes our spring cleanup of our chicken coop. Listen, if you have not liked, thumbs up, commented, or subscribed to Ken and T Outdoors, what are you waiting on? Go ahead, subscribe, help us get to 1,000 subscribers. We can do it. We're counting on you to help us get there. All right. Once again, this is Ken and T Outdoors. Till next time, peace.